Hey guys, it's Anthony from RVing with Tucker. Working on some of our to-do lists for the RV to get ready for our trip in June. One of the things that we're replacing is the vent cover over the bathroom. It's a little cracked. Called today down at our RV shop and said that they did carry them and that most of them were 14 by 14. But knowing our luck, I decided I'd better come home first and measure it. So we're gonna see how that goes today. Appears to be 14.5 by 14.5. So I'm gonna take these measurements and see maybe if I measured wrong or try to find out what happened there. Hey guys, it's me again. Did I mention I'm afraid of heights? Working on the vent. Found this today at the RV dealership. $17.99. He said he will 90% sure will fit. If not, take it back. So today we're gonna try to fix this vent. Oh, that's beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. I'm just going to bend this tab up. Down. There we go. Get the other one. Now, let's see if we can get this attached. Okay, we are in business. That's what she's gonna look like, all closed up. And looks like we might get this one. Now we're just gonna go back inside and button everything up from the underside. All right, so in here, we just got to put this trim back up, reattach the crank handle, the crank mechanism with 2 screws, and then replace the bottom cover, and then the trim piece just down here, and then we'll be ready to go. I'm not going to bore you with turning screws, but I'll show you a finished product. I got everything buttoned up down here. Finally, it took a little bit. It was so simple. I don't know why, but it's always the simplest things that come so hard. And I had to go up on the roof once again to fix one little last clip that had come out, but that wasn't a problem. Just overcoming my fear of heights. But as you can see, it's working. That is down. That is up. We're back in business, guys. And that's another one crossed off the list. On to the next project.